Club RWC, the indoor pool. As you can see, there is no barrier between Mother Nature and fitness equipment. This is August 14th, the day after Hurricane Charley hit. We have no roof. I think this is like a movie. Here's the star of our movie. This is Welcome to Rec Center, starring Tom Gomez. A maintenance superintendent comes in on a Saturday, hoping to mow the lawn and fix a toilet, and he comes and sees the flood.
Water
Everywhere and not a drop to drink. Here's Jim Wilkening. Jim bravely.
Yeah. Oh, it's breaking down already. Look at that.
Come on, Steve, be a hero. I'll get it all on tape. What do you need? Purely unbelievable. Hopefully this is safe to get this footage. I'm like that guy in the hurricane that stands on the beach with 100 miles an hour winds. Reporting to you live, I'm Fred Johnson. About to blow myself out to sea, but I'm going to get a raise if I stand here for a little bit longer. How about some guy just walked up to the front of the rec center and asked if we were closed? Can we get a couple of those wet floor signs? You know, the ones you put out after you mop? Anyone? Walking through the water here. Unfreaking believable. Am I allowed to curse? Is this cable? HBO? Guess I should keep it clean if this airs on regular TV. Someone's calling my name? No. This will be on America's Worst Construction Project home videos. Posted by Bob Saget. What? I don't know. That's the least. You're not going to be able to save every computer.
Yeah, but this is the one that runs the whole book.
The key with no writing on it. Alright, Bob, we're going in.
None of these are covered. We can save some of these here.
Unplug them first. Don't, make sure you're not touching water. Hold on, let me. Here's Jim Wilkening. Taking out the trash. Oh no, he's covering up computers. Here's Steve, tight shirt Anderson.
Playing with electricity.
Steve, you play with fire scarecrow, you're gonna get burnt. Who said that? Craig Kilborn.
It wasn't Smokey the Bear?
No, it was Kilborn's line. Yahtzee! That thing's off the ground. That's a piece of stuff anyway.
Keys. You seen them?
Steve has my keys.
Huh?
Did you leave them in here?
No.
You see my baseball? We've got water here. How are the locker rooms? They should have an extra layer of ceiling. How's the alarm? It's the alarm.
Holy cow.
That was like that this morning.
Like that?
Yep.
I knew about the door, but right here?
No, that's new. Here's Night Aid. You can get yourself a lock, some deodorant, and some Skittles.
Are they good in there?
Ladder. Jim, can we have water basketball this fall?
Inner tube water basketball.
Here's the indoor basketball courts. Don't be deceived. These are not the outdoor basketball courts. Charlie Engineers. Someone's calling me. We're gonna go live with this phone call. Morello. Chris Morello, how you doing? Chris, you don't know crazy unless you're looking at what I'm looking at right now. In the Rec and Wellness Center where Steve, reporting live. Steve, why don't you give Chris Morello an update?
Let's just say that the basketball court is now a new indoor pool.
Indoor pool. There is no more Rec and Wellness Center. Court 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's now water.
Alrighty. Tom's giving us the...
You'll remember the pictures I sent you earlier? Well, that was before it started raining. And now it is raining throughout the entire building. We had to cover all the machines, all the computers. Oh boy.
Is leaking in there too? Yep. Oh.
All of it.
Let me try.
Like, there's the metal girders, and then there's some insulation, and then there's like nylon fabric that covers it, and that's the only barrier to the water. And every other building on campus has it, but it's either defective or a tornado just came right over us and ripped it off. And so now there's nothing, you know, if you look up, you don't see the sky. You just see those, you know, the same metal, but they're permeable, so water just comes right through. Oh boy. Like campus is I mean, all around the area. I mean, it's not like devastating as it is on the coast. You know, no one's dead here. But as far as damage, I mean, we'll be closed probably 6 months. That's my guess. So you're fired, unless you want to go work for the union. Or, all right, we got to get out of here. So, all right, later. Tom, is there a way to shut off all power?
That's what I'm going to try to do.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Gomez is going to attempt to shut off the power. And we're going to get it here live.
We are going to get hurt.
W-iota mu.
W-I-O-T-A.
We're going to make some clothes for maintenance signs for next week. Hey Tom, some guy just knocked on the front door with an umbrella. He goes, are you guys open?
Can you tell him again? We need help first?
I said, well, we're supposed to open Monday. Monday?
Monday?
That's when we're supposed to.
I think so. Oh, look at that in the water. Now we got to, let me shut the power and get out of here. He doesn't know where the keys are.
You have mine? You have mine?
Yeah.